Hi, I'm John Jones, Senior General Manager with Cruiser RV's MPG product line. We're excited to be here today with some of my regional sales managers to show you the all-new 2021 MPG product line. First of all, you're going to see a brand new fully molded cap this year with recessed lighting. We're super excited about that. Also, we're going to show you a brand new patent pending feature exclusive to CRV called our full belly storage. Also new into 2021, we're going to have Azdale construction. So it's basically a water resistant, 50% lighter than wood, as well as a sound deadener. We're super excited to be partnered up with Azdale. Also, you're going to have some of our many features, which is Dexter axles, as well as a 5-sided aluminum construction, our solid step, and also a brand new graphics package, which you can see behind me. So we're really excited about the exterior changes of the MPG product moving to 2021. Now I'm going to give it off to Blake, and he's going to show you the all-new interior of the MPG product.
Hello everybody, Blake Foss here from Cruiser RV. Today I'm standing in our all-new 2021 MPG. We're excited to show you our all-new interior makeover. Some of the features that we have added is a new ceiling color, new flooring color, a new valance design, and also a 4-speaker soundbar in the entertainment center. We've also kept our staples, the black stainless steel appliances, our seamless countertops, and also our plywood flooring that everybody loves. We're excited about this all-new MPG. Find a local dealer near you and check one of these out.